keep on doing what you're doing, but I need to speak to the attorneys about a matter that doesn't involve you, so I'm going to ask the attorney to move forward with this stuff. excused today. We'll be back at 2:30. That way we should clear out all of the matters that need to be addressed without causing you to just sit and wait while we're addressing those issues. In my discretion, I'm going to have you come back tomorrow at 2:30. Please remember the admonitions that I've given you previously. Do not communicate with each other or anyone else about the case. Do not allow anyone to talk about the case in your presence. Do not talk to or have any contact with any parties, attorneys, or witnesses. Do not conduct any investigation or receive or attempt to receive any reports, information related to the case from any source. That includes independently riding by any area that, intentionally riding by any area that would result in you viewing the scene, anything in the area that's been referred to. And do not form or express an opinion about this case. You already know the routine. You have your pad and pen in your seat. While everyone else remains seated, no one leaves. The jury is excused until 2:30 tomorrow. Of the jury, the state has rested. At our bench conference up here, we talked about scheduling and some issues. I think we'll address those. I'm looking at the hour. We'll address tomorrow morning at 9:30 with any motions that wish to be asserted. And if you have any authority you want to back up your positions with, that will give you a little opportunity to do that. While it's not required, it is something that you do have the opportunity to avail yourself of. If we know of any evidentiary matters that, we've got some motions, and I'll run down my running list. We'll check on that and compare it to running lists of things to address and preserve for the record. But if we also anticipate or have any motions in limine that we can address, it may be tomorrow morning we'll have time to address those. Also gives you time to see about lining up your witnesses or lining up rebuttal witnesses or finding out about the subpoena, whatever the case may be, and we'll review our updated information. I'm beginning to assume that's just Mr. Charnes that makes the lightning strike and the thunder roar and the trains come by and the sirens go by and the lights dim at 5
Thank you.
which he has good-naturedly assumed the responsibility for. If we can get those things done, it would be better. We made an initial estimate of time for the jury. That no, we're not bound by that, but they're thinking what we estimated. So you just factor that into whether there are some ways to address some matters as efficiently as possible without at all crunching or curtailing the time necessary for each of you to present fully your particular case and your particular position. All right, having said all that, Sheriff will take a recess until 9:30 tomorrow morning.
What's the recess till 9:30 tomorrow?
I'm gonna keep custody of all of these files tonight, so I can make sure that I know exactly what's